So this is how I create a depth effect on any object in After Effects. So let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I get to teach you guys new editing tricks to level up your content. So today we'll be talking about how you can create depth on any kind of object using After Effects with just these two effects. Alright, let's get started. Open up After Effects, import your footage. Video I use for this tutorial is in the description. Kindly check it, download it and follow. Alright, let's get back into it. On the tracker option, then you select track camera. You select track camera, then you go to advanced, then you click on detailed analysis, then you wait for After Effects to do the magic. After that, boom, we now have a lot of tracking points that we can use for our edit. And then you right click and then select text and camera. Alright, this is so big. All you just need to do is to scale it down and edit it. Alright, I changed my own to cap. You can use whatever you like in your own scenario. So with the text selected, under effect panel, search for displacement map and drag it into the text column. And next, change the values. Under max horizontal displace, put it to 50, and max vertical displacement, you change it to 50. You click on this and change it to luminous, and also for use for vertical displays, you change that to luminous. So you come over to the displacement map layer and select the main video, and then change the blend mode to overlay. Then you should have this kind of roughness around the edges of the text. Nice. Alright, so let's add another effect which is called the fill effect. You drag it to your timeline, then you play around with the color you want. Mine, I'm going to be going with this color. So now let's work on the color of the main footage. Under effect panel, search for unsharp, then you drag it to your timeline, select the value and push it to the highest. Then you search for Lumetri color and add it to it. Then under basic, you change everything that I'm changing to so that you can have some kind of sweet color. You change it, you just change all the values, you adjust them a little, and then this is what you should get. Alright, if this tutorial have helped you solve one or two problems, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.